That's a huge driveway.
I'm loving the windows.
You're loving the windows.
Wait a second. Am I seeing double right now?
What?
Why are you biting my style? What happened to
I'm
the
fancy.
flip-flops?
Okay, listen. My outfit looks great. It took me a lot of time to put this together.
It does look very nice.
So back to work.
Let's check it out. I think we even have the same brand of jeans. Oh my God, we do.
Fashion police. Welcome.
Huh.
Seems like a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bath entrance. Well, the good thing is you have a slider there. We have a fireplace as the focal
How many
point.
square feet again?
The house is about 1,200 square feet, not including the screened-in porch.
Okay.
So in here, we redo the fireplace, pop in sliders, paints, like only, $5 grand in here. We'll have to replace most of the old windows too. That'll be a few more grand.
Where do you want to start? The kitchen's actually this way.
Let's actually go in the kitchen
Oh
first.
no, there's a washer dryer in here. Huh. Oh wow. Uh-oh. This is not kitchen, this is dining room. This is a small kitchen.
Well, we gotta remember it's a 1,200 square foot house. I think if we widen the doorway, it's gonna feel more open.
Oh, that's weird. Look, the washer's there and the dryer's way over there.
Ooh, this is original plumbing down here.
Uh-oh.
Typically, to do a kitchen this size, we spend about $8,000. And the extra plumbing work, I'm calculating an extra $2,000, so that puts us at 10.
This is a really weird layout, okay? There's a bedroom right here.
I think this is the master bedroom. There's a closet right here. So actually, we would be able to seal that door off, leave that door there, and then this is a private master.
It'll be a small master, but that's typical of older homes in this neighborhood. Definitely reconfigure the layout.
Water damage back there. There's water damage here. This is probably about 7,000.
Look at this bathroom.
Oh, wow, this one is original.
Ooh, wow.
So this is a fiberglass enclosure. It's leaking.
Yeah, that's a problem. What are you thinking in here?
Probably the same, about 7,000 or 8,000. With the kitchen, master bedroom, and bath on one side of the house, across the living room is a second bathroom and 3 more bedrooms. There's an attached garage in the front, but the listing says there's a patio in the back that leads to some kind of structure, something that we're really curious about. All right, how do you feel about this, right when you walk out?
Looks like it's outside. It has like cinder blocks.
I mean, it's an outside patio. Looking at it right now, I couldn't tell you if it's permitted or not. What is this? Oh, this is good. If it's permitted, if it's not permitted, we're screwed.
Wait, I'm confused.
There's a driveway on the side of the house.
So there's 2 garages here. This is like a 4-car garage. Ooh, careful! This is a weird yard.
So they have 2 garages and a shed.
It's like, almost feels like commercial.
The garage gives us a huge advantage. No other houses in the area have a workshop and additional storage for cars. And because it's really hard to find, the buyers will pay more money for it. I think the rehab would cost about 70 grand. They're asking 340. If we put 70 into it, that puts us at 410. If we have closing costs and commission, that's about 20,000. Our break even's 430. And the highest comp, it was a remodeled house sold for 510. It doesn't need a ton of work, and if we can flip it fast, it could be a home run.
Totally.
So I say we don't waste time, we don't negotiate, we don't wait for Jake, we just
Call him,
lock
make an
it
offer.
up. He was pretty excited when I talked to him. He knows us, so.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going? This is Tarek. We're over here at your property.
How's it going, man? So you went to look at the place?
Yeah, we're actually here right now. I just walked it with my wife, and it looks good, so we're ready to go at the 340 that you're asking. We are all cash. I'll send you proof of funds, and we can absolutely get the deal done.
340 full offer cash. I love it. That's great.
Okay, cool. I'll shoot you the offer over in an hour, and hopefully open up escrow later today.
I'm happy to be doing business with you guys.
All right, sounds good. Thanks. Jeez, I wish all sellers were like that. He's excited.
Yep, looks like it's ours.
Hopefully we can keep the addition. A couple days after we bought the house, Jake gave us an estimate for the rehab of 68 grand. And even though we still don't know if we can keep the garage and patio, we're moving forward with the demo. Jeez.
What's this, trash? What is it, a secret map?
You know what? I think these are the plans for these additions.
No way.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Looks like it got set on fire.
I don't want to ruin these. Hey, Jake, I think these are plans for this addition, so.
The Declaration of Independence. They are plans.
These are the plans.
Oh my gosh, literally, if you wouldn't have been here, I would have thrown those away.
Look at that.
76?
1976.
Wow. So that means this is all permitted then, right?
I don't know. It's not stamped by the city. Usually it has to be stamped and approved.
Oh.
I don't know if they did that in 1976. We don't know if it's even been permitted or final. He could have just made these to build them.
We might get lucky. I mean, honestly, if we can keep this structure, I know it's kind of an eyesore, save so much money and someone can come in here and do whatever they want.
Don't get your hopes up yet, though. If it's unpermitted, it's gonna have to come down.
A few days later, Jake got an answer from the city.
Turns out the plans were approved. This is permitted. The detached garage is good to go.
That's crazy. We
Yeah.
got so lucky to find those for reals.
Well, happy Monday.
That's great news.
Jake,
Hey,
demo's done, huh?
demo's done. Wanted to see if you guys like the wider opening.
This looks way better.
Much better. Actually has better flow now. Doors closed off. Looks a lot better.
We have to figure out layout, electric, plumbing.
We definitely cannot have the dryer over here and the washer there like the old layout was. And don't forget, this right here, this is where like a dining table goes, which means that only this is kitchen and we somehow have to fit a washer and dryer in here. Where would the best bet be for a washer dryer? Here or in that corner?
Probably that corner because it's a lot easier to access.
If we build a closet, put gas there, you'd be looking at about $1,000.
That's it.
All right. Over there it is. So, I mean, the rest is pretty simple, right? You have washer dryer, sink under the window.
So pretty much the layout's pretty similar, except we're doing a stackable washer and dryer in the corner.
Where's the stove go? Over there?
Right there.
Stove, microwave.
All right, you got it.
With the doorway from the kitchen to the bedroom being sealed off, we have a private master. So I want to do something really cool with that attached bathroom. Okay, this is the master bathroom. This is like the smallest shower ever. Why don't we try to move the valve over here, do like a pony wall, put some glass, so at least it's all open.
So if we did that over here, would we also open this and put glass here?
I mean, you can, but you really want to return for some tile there and something to hold the door a little easier.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So it's-
Tile this all the way up to the ceiling, glass enclosure, at least it'll feel bigger. And in the other bathroom, I say we keep the tub since the layout works well as it is. Okay, so I picked these two options for laminate.
I like the wood grain one on the right.
Me too. So for cabinet color, white shaker. So marble counters, the white cabinets, and this backsplash.
Oh, you want to lay it vertical?
Yeah.
I love that.
But I think just to add like a little extra touch, it'd be nice to take the backsplash and go all around the window. The kitchen's small. I think that would look really pretty. And then this is gonna tie into what I wanna do for the fireplace.
Okay.
I love how there's a lot of natural light because you have the big picture window and you have the slider. So I'm thinking we go with a simple slate tile in this color.
That's really nice.
We're all working overtime to turn this flip around fast, but that doesn't mean I can't have a little fun along the way. Hey, Tarek,
Huh. What are you doing?
I'm gonna get your pretty little shoes wet.
You are getting my shoes wet. Stop. What was that?
Are you okay?
Oh, there was a ladder behind the door.
Wow.
Oopsies.
Looks like we have a change order. Be
Yeah.
very careful. That's not tempered.
No, it
very
sure
careful.
isn't. We're looking at $400.
Your hose is costing you $400.
Sorry. Oopsies.
No blood?
No blood.
I'm glad you're okay. Love you. Okay, so maybe it wasn't a great idea to turn the hose on Tarek, but I still thought it was funny.
You
Looks
know what?
so pretty.
I like this house. I love the floors. I like the layout.
Has a very like clean contemporary vibe.
All right, so this is the entry to the master.
Bathroom's so cute.
Thank God we opened this up. It looks so much bigger. Hey, look at it. Table fits.
That's nice. I'm really glad that we went with like the lighter, more open vibe in here because it makes it feel a lot bigger. The kitchen is like perfectly my style. I love it.
The paint made a big difference. This is why we listed at the 534.9. It has a covered patio, and then you have the huge structure. I really feel someone's gonna pay more money.
I'll be interested to see what buyers think. All right, you wanna get ready?
Yeah. think we're ready, honey. I think we
All
have people
right.
here.
They are?
I hear people.
The house looks very neat. It looks
Yeah.
very well
Well kept.
painted and,
Yeah,
and
well
well
done. Look at this kitchen. It's smaller, but it's definitely nice.
I like these cabinets.
Wow, nice backsplash. The detail is nice.
For a master, it's a bit small, but there's nothing bigger in this whole
Right, in
neighborhood,
the
I'm
size
sure.
of the home, right.
Tile gives it a nice touch. I like these little shampoo shelves.
I like the surround on the tile.
I like what they did with the fireplace.
Big open windows letting all this light.
It's a very large workshop.
There's a lot of space.
A lot
The
of
possibilities
space.
are endless, right?
So we could pull the cars back here instead of having them in the front.
It's a nice little shop. I'd like to have it.
After the open house, we received multiple offers, which drove the price up to $550,000. If this deal goes through, we stand to make just over $110,000. Time to find another house to flip.